Welcome to an Achieving Science video. This video is going to give an overview of energy resources. So what is meant by an energy resource? Well, there are two groups of energy resources that you need to be aware of. The first group is renewable energy resources, where a renewable energy resource is one that is being or can be replenished as it is used. This includes examples of solar, wind, tidal, wave, biofuel, hydroelectricity and geothermal. The other group is the non-renewable energy resources, where a non-renewable energy resource is one that will run out because it is a finite resource. For instance, coal, oil, natural gas and nuclear. Now let's have a look at some of the uses. So energy resources are used in the following ways. We use it for transport. For instance, petrol, diesel and kerosene to drive our cars, lorries and aeroplanes. We use it for electrical generation. For instance, fossil fuels, coal, oil and gas. We use nuclear, solar and wind. We also require it for heating, so we use gas and electricity. Now let's have a look at some more information upon renewable energy resources and the pros and cons of each energy resource. Let us begin first of all with wind turbines. The pros are that it produces no polluting gases, whereas the cons are that it's got poor reliability and can cause visual and noise pollution. Next we have solar. This uses the sun to generate electricity. The pros: it can be used in remote locations. The cons are that initial costs are high. Next we have biofuels. This is the burning of trees and other waste. This can be said to be carbon neutral, as the carbon dioxide the trees absorb via photosynthesis is then released via combustion, i.e. when the trees are burnt. Next we have wave power. The up and down motion of waves can be used to drive a generator. This can though affect aquatic life. It can be hazardous to boats and cause visual pollution. Next we have hydroelectric. Stores of water are kept and then released when demand is high. The pros: it provides an immediate response to an increase in demand for electricity. The cons: it causes flooding of habitats and the reservoirs look unsightly. They also cost a lot to build. Next, geothermal. This uses heat from the ground to heat water in volcanic areas. The steam that is produced is used to drive turbines, which then drive a generator. Then we have tidal barrages. Tides are caused by the pull of the sun and moon. They are reliable, but only twice a day when the tides change. The initial costs are high, but running costs are low. So in summary, most do damage to the environment, but less than non-renewable energy resources. They will never run out. They often do not provide as much energy as non-renewables, and they often depend upon the weather. Now let's have a look at non-renewable energy resources. First of all, nuclear power. This involves the splitting of atomic nuclei to produce heat, where the main fuel is uranium and plutonium. It produces radioactive waste, and decommissioning costs are very high, which are cons. Most power stations we use are coal, oil and gas. Burning of coal produces lots of heat and provides most of our energy. But they release pollutants that lead to global warming, e.g. carbon dioxide, acid rain, e.g. sulfur dioxide, and also global dimming.